Oh man, check out those antique carpenter planes. How cool are those? Hello everybody. Our little town has a pretty good sized flea market. It's a 2-day event and it's 80 degrees out. It's super nice out. Let's jump in the car and go. Let's see if we can't find something. It's been electrified. Look at that cool rolling pin with all the rose mailing on it. It's got some cute little things here. Cool old scale. That's pretty cool old lighting there. Nice lamp parts. Those are hard to get a lot of times when rebuilding old lamps. It's chipped up. Buggy steps. Pretty cool. I love my Coleman stuff. It's a wide brim. It's missing the leather ends. That's pretty cool. That's a good buy. That's actually a good buy on that for $5. Explosion-proof light housings. Have to remember that one. Some of those bottles are pretty old. Split bamboo fishing rods. The right one can bring a lot of money. The wrong one, not so much. Old radio parts. Anything pipe tobacco from back in the day is really good inventory. I guess I'm struggling with this one to know if somebody made that or if a company made that. Well, that's interesting. Still cool. Wow. It might be Catalan. It's not broke either. It's weird. There's a lot of stuff here, but none of it's really a home run. Early fire hat. But it only had the badge. It's bad the badge is gone. The first thing people do is take the badge off. 4th of July deer skull. Skulls are us.
Hello.
What that is there. It's kind of cool. Oh, it's I bet it's old time sheet music. Their graphics are really neat. I've seen a lot of those get framed. They don't sell them as cool as they are. What's wrong with that price? Cast iron based desk lamp for $10. Stop it. It's a good deal. So many sellers look like they're leaving. What's going on? Heavy steel ladle. Like a Conestoga wagon, Pioneer like old. Still goes on tomorrow, doesn't it?
Right, but they're calling like 66 for the high and rain all day.
Oh, geez, really? Okay, I didn't even look at the weather. I was in town doing some stuff, so yeah, I don't blame you. Lots of milk cans. That clock is pretty cool. The street lamp is missing its globe. Not a horrible price, but it's pretty much retail for me. And then I gotta try to find a globe. That's a stiff price for that, but it's probably worth it. It's the top of an old Ringer washer that you would clamp on top of a big galvanized tub. Back in the day, it's got a hand crank. It's old sewing machine drawers. Another Ringer. I've got a double. Compared to my shoe, I wear a size 10.5. I've got a double tub set that I'm looking for a Ringer for. Those are too big. That's pretty cool. I have one very similar to that. It's got different color sails.
I think you need that.
I've got that. I've got one with brass sails, not silver. Huh? What, are you trying to make me buy it?
Come on, 3.
Yeah, all right, I'll do that.
Okay.
So I wasn't really looking to buy this, but the guy made me a deal I just couldn't refuse, so here I am with it. Running back to my car quick so I don't have to lug it around. Everybody's packing it up. They're making deals. The flea market goes on tomorrow, but they're all bailing out because it's supposed to be 60 and rainy all day tomorrow. So they're all leaving now. Man, I can't make it out. Broken. Pretty crispy. Oh, I can't read that. I'd love to see a phone number because I love how crusty it is. Hey. I can't see a date on it anywhere or a phone number or anything.
Yeah, I don't know. Burn cleaners.
Pretty crispy, but I kind of dig the crispiness.
I don't know how much you think. $5? $3.
Yeah. Some pretty nice picnic displays. I can't ship those too much anymore because the box size just gets so big it gets prohibitively expensive to ship. Those are potato planters, seed planters there. Oh, come on, price tag. That's not that bad a price for that, really. That's pretty cool. Railroad lantern. Cowbells bring so much money. These are goat bells. Wow, that's a good price. I would need to pay about $40 for that to be able to make any money on it. That actual John Deere is pretty good. I like those block planes. What's wrong with that? That's a good price. Just don't know if I need another one right now. I got like 20 of them. Interesting stoplight. I should really buy these old Schwinn's. Especially because they're boys' bikes. You just don't see boys' bikes. You see all kinds of girls' bikes, but boys thrash their bikes. Girls just took care of them. Rode them easy. They're much more plentiful, and they're usually in better shape. Those are still cool though. I like the cast iron bench ends there, but after studying them, it dawned on me that it was like a child's bench. It was so tiny. That really wouldn't work for me.
That's all right. That's all right.
It looks confusing. It's cool though. I come here on Labor Day and set up, and every time I bring old pumps like that, they're incomplete, you know, because parts crack and break and they're welded and they fall apart.
That one is too. The top isn't from there.
Yeah, you can see it's the patina is just different if nothing else. But I tell people it's just yard art, you know. I mean, just put it in your yard. Driving down the road, it looks cool when you're driving by, but you know. I have one that's complete, and it's so cool I don't want to bring it and sell it because you just never find those.
I was gonna weld that top on there, and I thought
That's cute. Nice pedal car. That thing's amazing. Don't just hate rain. Rain and flea markets, they just don't go together.
Not at all.
I love this old fairgrounds. They got the 4-H barns there. Flea market usually goes from that end all the way to the other end. Some more 4-H barns. And then the grandstands there and the racetracks behind it. All kinds of events are held there. It's a pretty cool place. And it's right on the main drag in our little tiny town. So that's the exhibition building for the animals. I'm feeling raindrops. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.